Hi, this is Alan from Wave WiFi. Today we're going to talk about a functionality or feature of our routers that allows you to bridge LAN ports together. The question might come up, why would you want to do that? Well, you come into certain situations on an installation on a boat where these ports are separate subnets. So the guest LAN is 105.1, so 192.168.105.1, and the main LAN is 192.168.101.1. If you plugged an access point into the guest LAN port and had something on there that you needed to access, you might have trouble if someone else is on the main LAN, can't access the device that's on the guest LAN. So then we want to bridge the ports together, puts them on the same subnet. Everything is as if it's on an Ethernet switch on the same port, same connections. And the main LAN, by the way, also connects to the local access points in the router. You see it's port 1. So anybody that was on the main access points that are built into the router or plugged into the main LAN might not be able to access something on guest LAN. We want to go into settings and network settings, and in here we have the configuration for all of our ports where we can change a lot of things that we would need to change. What we're looking at is we're going to go from main LAN because we want them both to be the same thing between main LAN and guest LAN. So what we're going to do is press the control key and click on port 5 because we want to link these two together. We want to bridge these two together. And then we're going to click change settings. And we'll get a pop-up to confirm. We're going to click OK. And we're going to wait for it to do its thing to do that for us. We get success. And then it's going to update our port settings. So we've kind of done a mini reboot by changing any settings like that. So we have to wait for it to get the port info and update us that that's done or not. And it should be done. Okay, we're back. And now I'm back on the main device status page on our 500 series routers. It's called router status. And we can see in main LAN that it says ports 1 and 5, so those are linked together. And what used to be the guest LAN is now also called main LAN. They get the same name because they're bridged together. And ports 1 and 5. We can confirm that in settings by going back into settings and network settings. And for example, we can click on the port 5 that used to be the guest LAN. And we'll see that the IP address is 101.1. And the DHCP range is also 101. Whatever. And that will match with main LAN. So now we're set up to plug things into here, access points or whatever you want to plug into that Ethernet port. And they'll be able to talk, the devices from the main LAN will be able to talk to devices on the other LAN because they're now bridged together.